and welcome to my channel. I apologize if the quality of my camera has like decayed over the years. Okay, so we're gonna be giving ourselves a full makeover because I don't want to be the fine auntie this year. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my hair. I'm gonna be using this detangling brush that I got off of TV. They're selling them everywhere now. It's like a ventilated brush specifically, and it's just the absolute best for detangling. Okay, so I parted my hair, and we always start at the ends, and you want to be gentle. You don't want to hear anything breaking. If you hear or anything like that, that's your hair snapping. And one of the biggest blessings to my hair was learning how to be soft and learning how to listen to my hair and what it likes the most. I use this brush on anybody. I've used it on, you know, male hair, and you know, that'd be rough, and it's just great. I love this brush so much. All right, this is what we're working with. I'm gonna put it back in the 4 sections because I wash my hair in 4 sections. It's too big to be trying to come at it and do this. No. I honestly, not even if your hair isn't big, but sometimes to keep things organized and manageable, you gotta work in sections. Okay, so let's go over the products that I'm gonna be using. So this is a tea gel shampoo. It's supposed to be, you know, anti-dandruff, anti-dermatitis. I have a fungal thing going on, so that's why I have to use that. Next, you really need a clarifying shampoo. This is the Design Essentials Oat Protein Deep Cleansing Shampoo. I like this line, I've used it before. And then you also need a hydrating moisturizing shampoo to put the moisture back into your hair. I don't really learn. When I chose products, I listened to a hairstylist that's located in Chicago. His YouTube, I'm gonna put his name here. But when talking about where your hair gets the moisture and how your hair gets moisture, it really does sound like, from the scientific standpoint, all of your moisture comes from the shampoo bowl, and all of your setup for success happens during the conditioning process and the shampooing process. So I do think that at least 2 of these are necessary. If you don't have the scalp condition, you don't need the tea gel, but you do need a clarifying shampoo and a hydrating moisturizing shampoo. This is the Cure Care Hydrating Detangling Shampoo, even better. For a conditioner, I got the Matrix Food for Soft Hair Mask. This is the mask specifically. My old stylist suggested it, so I'm gonna trust her and I'm gonna go for this. It smells good. It'll be my first time trying it, and yeah. So first, I'll be using this Wow Dream Coat. It's gonna be my first time trying it, but it was recommended to me. This is the Supernatural Spray. You're gonna spray it before you put anything on your hair, before you style it. So this goes before you blow dry, and I'm really gonna focus it on my roots, where the humidity is going to come from. I don't think I need it on the ends as much, but mainly on the roots. Next product will be this Ite Buttershine. It just is a little cream. You just take a little bit and rub it in the palm of your hand, and just lightly put that over the hair before you blow dry it as well. I mean, before you flat iron it as well. I did see my stylist use it. She didn't recommend it to me, but I did see her use it, and I'm obsessed with copying and getting the exact result that I want. So that's what we're gonna do. I was able to find it at the beauty supply store. It's the Sebastian Shaper Extra Hold Hairspray. It was also recommended by the stylist on YouTube specifically, and I saw maybe like 3 other people recommend it, so that's why I trusted it and I chose this one. Like, it's high quality products, but it's not a lot of product. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the shampoo bowl.
Okay, so now we're finally getting into what we've all been waiting for. I'm just using the Color Wow and I'm spraying it directly on my roots. This is where the humidity comes from, so I'm focusing it on my roots and my scalp and then lightly down the hair shaft. I wanted to say you always want to detangle between like each step. Even after I put this She Silk serum on, which I just do a very small amount, you can see I'm dabbing it off on the paper. I detangle after that too because I want absolutely no breakage in my hair. So my blow dry routine is kind of simple. I only do this like once a year, so I really do try to be gentle with my hair. I detangle and then I use my hand to stretch the blow dryer. Since I'm only one person and I can't stand back and stretch my hair with a brush, I have to use my hands and pull on it tautly. That way that the blow dryer can dry the hair while it's at an elongated form, and so once you blow dry it in that state, it'll just kind of stay there. And so I'm going in with this heated paddle brush. This is a game changer. Once again, thank you to Travell Lavar, because this isn't the one that he uses, but it has a metal backing plate and it heats up as you're blow drying, and you can just see how it takes my hair from like to like, okay, this is gonna be a successful silk press. Like, you can just see it sleek out. So I'm showing my two best flat iron recommendations. One is the Babyliss flat iron and the other is the Croc infrared flat iron. That is my flat iron of choice, but the Babyliss works okay too. I'm just going in with this Ite buttershine cream, a small amount, rubbing it in my hands really good, warming it up, and just lightly putting it all over the hair shaft, making sure I get it in the middle, lifting parts and putting it, closer to the scalp as well. So you don't want a lot of this product at all because it's definitely oily, but you don't even see it when you put it on the hair while it's blow dried. But once you flat iron, you'll see that it definitely probably contributed to that shine. So here I'm just going ahead and showing you what the pass would look like with the Babyliss titanium flat iron. I'll have all of the products in the description. I was excited to see, that this iron was able to give me a sleek look, but that just means that my foundation at the shampoo bowl was it. Because you'll see with this Croc flat iron, yeah, it's just, I don't know, let me know which one you think is better. I decided to go with the Croc flat iron today for my whole head. Excuse me. And the process is pretty repetitive, so I'll just let you guys enjoy this part. Right here I'm just showing you what infrared means. It has a little light and it has these pocket holes. I think the technology is meant to treat split ends. I'll double check that, but yeah, I think that that's what it's for. And I do go ahead and use that feature on my whole head. I don't know if that's good, but that's what I did. We are finally done. I'm just going ahead and show you what the hair looks like. It looks like it has some nice shine. It was so soft, guys. My hair really is thick and dry normally. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, let me know if it helped you.